Everyone, welcome back to Wireless Solutions. In this video, I will show you WhatsApp chat transfer made simple. Old to new Android step by step. Switching to a new Android phone? Maybe you just bought yourself that shiny new Redmi 10, or maybe your old phone finally decides to retire. Now you are freaking out because your precious WhatsApp chats are still on the old phone. Let's get started. Here is a quick overview. 1. Backup WhatsApp on your old phone. 2. Set up your new phone. 3. Restore the backup. 4. Chats are restored. Let's begin. 1. Backup WhatsApp on your old phone. Let's start with the phone you are saying goodbye to. Your loyal old Android companion. Open WhatsApp. Yes, that green app you open 128 times a day. Tap the three dots at the top right corner. You know, the menu button. Tap that and go to Settings. In Settings, select Chats. Don't get distracted by your imaginary unread messages. Focus. Then tap Automatic Backups. Then tap and select Only when I tap Backup. For now. Later, you can change this to daily or weekly. Right now, we just need to get this done. Choose the Google account you want to use. If it is not listed, tap Add Account and sign in. Don't borrow your cousin's account, please. Toggle on, include videos if you want to keep all those funny TikToks and 100 plus forwarded birthday greetings. Tap Backup and wait. Now breathe. This part might take time depending on your chat size and Wi-Fi speed. Don't worry, it is working. Avoid switching to TikTok, Facebook, or any other app while the backup is running. Doing so can interrupt or slow down the process, especially if your phone's memory or internet connection is limited. Let the backup finish completely before using your phone. It will only take a few minutes and you will save yourself from possible errors or incomplete backups. Trust me, you will thank yourself later when everything restores smoothly. Number 2. Set up your new phone. Now that your old phone did its job, let's switch to your new phone. Shiny, fast, and full of possibilities, and probably zero battery. Charge it first. Connected to Wi-Fi? No Wi-Fi is equivalent to no restore. Trust me on this. Install WhatsApp from the Google Play Store. Search WhatsApp Messenger and hit install. Simple. Let us wait for it to download. You can grab a snack or a drink. After that, open WhatsApp and tap Agree and Continue. You are basically saying, yes, I want WhatsApp in my life. Enter the same phone number you use on your old phone. This part is important. If you use a different SIM, swap it back temporarily. Verify your number. You will receive a 6-digit code via SMS. Enter it like a boss. Mine does not require it for some reason. Maybe I am that special. Number 3. Restore the backup. Now here's the beautiful part. WhatsApp will say, backup found from your Google account. Last backup at time. If you don't see this, make sure you are logged in to the same Google account. Make sure the Google account on your new phone is the exact same one you used to back up WhatsApp on your old phone. You back up properly. You are connected to the internet. Your new phone needs an active and stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection to detect and download the backup. No signal is equal to no restore. Even if you are connected, weak or unstable internet might cause delays. So make sure you are on a reliable network. If all that checks out and it still doesn't show up, take a break and have a snack. Then try again. Tap Restore. Do not skip this. I repeat, do not skip this or you'll be crying over lost memes. Wait for it to finish restoring. Depending on your backup size, this could take anywhere from a few seconds to a few minutes. Stay patient. No rage tapping, please. Once done, tap Next. Now enter your name or nickname. Please no weird characters. WhatsApp isn't gamer tag. Number 4. Chats are restored. At this point, all your chats are back. Hooray! But the media, photos, videos, voice notes will keep downloading in the background. Just keep your phone connected to Wi-Fi and plug in if possible. Pro tip: Avoid opening heavy chats with 3,000 photos until they are done loading, unless you're seeing lots of gray boxes. And that's it. WhatsApp chat transfer made simple. If you followed all the steps, you should now have all your old conversations, group chats, and even that one message thread you swore you'd delete years ago, all safely transferred to your new phone. No headaches, no third-party apps, no data loss, just smooth, clean transfer magic. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Wireless Solutions for more quick tech tips that make your phone work smarter. Got questions or other WhatsApp tricks you want to learn? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.